Hey everybody, if you want to fix the Google Assistant not responding, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. So first of all, we can start by checking our internet connection. Ensure that our device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, because without that, the Google Assistant won't be working. And apart from that, what you can do is you can check for a physical mute button on smart speakers, or ensure the mic is enabled in your device's settings as well. Often, just restarting your phone should also fix glitches, so you can look out for restart option and tap on it, and you can restart your device. That should also fix it. And if not that, you can restart your router as well to power cycle your Wi-Fi. Apart from that, what you can do is you can check your permissions. So you can go to settings, look out for apps, tap on it, and within apps, look out for Google, scroll down. I'm just going to search for it for now. So type in Google, and once you find Google, tap on it, and within Google, go to permissions and tap on it, and allow the option for microphone and tap on it, and allow the microphone access and other key permissions. And also disable any other assistance if there is any. And apart from that, you need to update your Google app. Go to Play Store, look out for search for Google, and if you find Google, ensure this is updated to the latest version. And also clear cache for that certain application. Hold it up, go to their info, and look out for storage, tap on it, and look out for clear cache and clear it. And those are probably the solutions you can try out. Ensure the device is power on and connected to Wi-Fi, and you can try out and see if it works. So let us know in the comments. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.